And there are 4 bolts, one there, one there, one up in here, and one up in here. We're going to remove those to get the first part off. Okay, to get to some of these bolts, we're going to have to get rid of this front plate. There are 3 bolts down here. See if I can get my light on here. There's one. You can't really see it very good. Let me see if we can get an angle there. There. There's one. See the black one with the black tab right in there? That's one. Then if we go up, there's 2. And then the third one is right up in here. See if we can get a better view of this. There it is. The third one. Way up in here. And those will disconnect it. Okay, we got the 3 removed here. Now, get my light. In here, there is a clip right here that's holding the side on. There's another clip right up in there. You can't see it too good. Maybe from this angle, let's see. There we go. See the white? Yeah, almost. Maybe you can see it better this way. You can just barely see it. See the clip? See how the plastic right there goes up and down in there? And you can just barely see the clip. There, try to get a little better light. See it? Just a little prong, 2 prongs. Get a screwdriver and put it on those. On both sides. You should get the whole thing off. Alright, it appears the next thing we need to do is we need to remove these screws here first. Okay, I found another screw right here. This one needs to be taken off, and this is already loosened up where it will just pop off after that screw. And that takes care of the front cover. There's a wire back here that you got to remove right there. But that covers off. Now you can get to the bottom of the base. Okay, take a 12 wrench right here and you'll loosen up these 12mm bolts. They're right up in here. There's one. They're kind of hid behind that group of wires. Still can't get a good angle on it. Jesus. Alright. Still not getting a very good angle. There it is. right there, that one, and then this one again. And then you take those off, and this whole metal bottom plate should come right off. Recording. Okay, now, as you can see, this is loose. So what we're going to do is we are going to disconnect all the wires here. And that's pretty much about it. And here's a wire right here. Disconnect all these. Here's another wire. And just follow it. Okay, we pretty much got all the wires loose. Right here. Here. And here. Now we're having a little problem with this one. Now, come to the back, and you'll see a little tab. As soon as I get it focused, using a cell phone for this. It's not the easiest fucking thing. Excuse my language. And then, just kind of, where the hell am I? Man, where the hell am I at? Here. Gee, many Christmas. There it is. Alright. There's a little tab right here. And you'll just kind of lift this tab up a little bit and then pull on it. Once you get it up, you'll pull this and then it should just come right out. Okay, see, that came off real easy. See, there's the pin that I was playing with. And it just pulled off real good there. Just like right here, it connects to this up in there. Now there was something I forgot to loosen up before this can come off, and there's a bolt for the light. There's a bolt right. See if we can find it again. That right there. See that nut? That's got to come off, and then the whole thing will come off because it's right part of that thing. Okay, after looking again, I was wrong about this nut. It just goes to the seat belt. But there's a wire here, and it disconnects right here. So disconnect that, and it goes to the seat belt. Then there's like a little tape tab. Just kind of cut the little tape that goes around here. Sometimes you can just pull there, it just pulled off. And now this whole bottom unit is free. So you can just set it right there. And there's one heavy part off this. Now, we just have to figure out how to get to the back here. to get the seat back off here. Now I'm seeing some more 8mm screws. Right down here. Kind of hard to, there. And I think this will get this back plate off. Just once you get those off. Okay, I thought I was going to have to take this back panel off right here to get to more of the seat, but it's obvious I don't need to do that. So I'm going to reattach that, but these are probably what I got to remove right here, and the whole back seat will come off. Okay, by removing these right here, the whole back seat is coming off. But all these wires up into here need to be taken apart for this to come off with the wires. So let's go ahead and we'll start in here, removing this one, and then cutting the tape right here. It's just taped onto a tab, and we should start seeing something. Okay, now that all the wires are loose, it's not going to take too much to do this. But now I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, because that's not what I'm after. I'm just taking apart the seat to ship it in 2 pieces. Okay, this is where I'm at. I got it pretty well loosened up here, from down in here, but I'm still having trouble figuring out where they might have it connected to some of this vinyl up in here. So I'm just having a hay of a time. I'm going to see if I can remove this piece of vinyl. The way they got this, it's pretty, well, I thought it was hog-tied, but actually it is hog-wired. I did not want to mess with any of those, but right here, there we go. Let's see on this side if we can do the same thing right here. Pull it away from that wire. There. Now we're in a little bit, so now we can kind of see what we got going on in here. Okay, after prying all this material away, you kind of got to pull it up, because there are some hooks right here that the material hooks into. Now I've got it. All you got to do now is pull the wires from the back. See, is there another connector up in here? What is this going to? There's a bunch of wires. Huh. Oh, here it goes. See, then you just gotta pull these wires out.